So this is BASN Smartcable, a Bluetooth upgrade cable for your MMCX socket in-ear monitors. Let's have a look. First, let's start with unboxing. Inside the box we find the BASN Smartcable, the usual user manual, and an additional short micro USB cable for charging. The smart cable is compatible with many other MMCX in-ear monitors, but since we only have the previously tested BASN Singer Plus Pro, also you can check the video pressing the car button. So we did a full review with the Singer Pro. BASN promises a nice 10 hours of music listening, which is quite accurate. At a moderate volume level, a decent 9.5 hour playtime was achievable. Charging takes around 1.5 hours, which is also nice if you want to use it in a hurry and need to charge it. Let's talk about the build and sound quality. As for the build quality, it is lightweight with a little bit of cheap plastic feeling, very flexible body though. The sound is good, no delays during video playback, so those who are planning to watch some movies or YouTube videos don't have to worry about any abnormal lip sync via wireless playback. This is a huge bonus since many Bluetooth earphones or adapters have issues with it. One side note though, if you are an audiophile, this is not recommended since during quiet sessions you will notice a small amount of hiss and background noise. During playback you will not notice it, but still worth to mention it. Overall, for different sport activities or if you just want to use it for some wireless experience, the BASN Smartcable can be a good option for you. If you want to purchase one for yourself, please check the link in the video description, and also if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel to bring you more awesome tech reviews for you. Thank you and have a nice day.